Hey there, Playwright Rockstars. Episode 5 is all about getting hands-on, clicking, typing, and bossing web elements around with Playwright Test and TypeScript. Ready to make pages obey? Let's dive in. Create interact.spec.ts in tests. Start with import test, format playwright/test. Write a test. Test, interact with page, async, page, await page, go to https:/playwright.dev, run it with npx playwright test. Now, click a button, await page.click text get started. Type in a field, await page.locator, fill, TypeScript, and press enter with await page.press, play search, enter. Playwright's auto wait ensures it works every time. Use selectors like CSS or text, your new best friends. TypeScript's auto-completion in VS Code is a lifesaver. Try clicking a button or filling a form on your favorite site with Playwright Test. You're commanding the web like a pro. Challenge. Find a button, click it, and type in a field. Next up, we tackle waiting like champs. Subscribe and let's keep the fun going.